Do you need to be afraid for your job? While AI is definitely making strides in the training and development industry, it's unlikely to completely replace many jobs within the next 3 years. However, some roles will likely be affected, meaning AI will handle some tasks while humans oversee others. Here are some training and development positions that might be impacted by AI in the next few years. Instructional content developers. For certain tasks, AI can automate the creation of basic learning modules and presentations, but human expertise will remain essential for creative content, tailoring materials to specific audiences, and ensuring engagement. Curators of online learning materials. AI can sift through vast amounts of information to identify relevant training materials, but human judgment will still be crucial for selecting the best fit for learners and ensuring quality. Trainers. For some routine tasks, AI-powered chatbots or virtual assistants might deliver some basic training modules or answer frequently asked questions, but human trainers will remain vital for complex topics, personalized coaching, and motivation. AI will likely become a collaborator in training and development, automating repetitive tasks and providing data analysis. But the human touch will stay essential for areas like creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and effective communication. AI's impact replacement? Unlikely. AI won't replace these roles entirely in the next 3 years. However, it will automate some tasks, impacting how these professionals work. Focus. Shift. Expect AI to handle repetitive tasks like basic training delivery, data analysis, and scheduling. This frees up human expertise for higher-level functions. New areas for trainers, coaches, and consultants. Focus on human skills. AI struggles with areas like creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. These become even more valuable for human professionals. Personalized learning. AI can personalize content to an extent, but humans excel at crafting truly individualized learning journeys based on specific needs and motivations. Coaching and mentoring, building rapport, providing emotional support, and offering personalized guidance are areas where human coaches shine. Data integration and interpretation. While AI analyzes data, humans are crucial for interpreting it, identifying underlying trends, and translating it into actionable insights. To survive and thrive, you should embrace AI as a collaborator, not a competitor. Learn how to use AI tools effectively to enhance their work. Develop strong data analysis skills to translate data insights into actionable strategies. Become experts in human skills development like communication, critical thinking, and problem solving. Focus on personalization and coaching to provide a human touch that AI can't replicate. Become lifelong learners to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to new technologies. By focusing on these areas, trainers, coaches, and performance consultants can ensure their continued relevance and value in the evolving training and development landscape.